Karbi Students Association organized a joint peace consultative meet with stakeholders from Meghalaya on 16 July at Dongkamukam Sports Association Conference Hall. The meeting was chaired by Samson Teron, President of Karbi Students Association, and the meeting was attended by various students and social leaders from Meghalaya representing all Meghalaya Karbi Association, Joint Action Committee Border of Meghalaya, and United Khasi People Organization. The meeting was solely conducted to discuss the issues of the people living in the interstate bordering region. It was specifically discussed to maintain peace and tranquility in the region without any discrimination based on their identity.
Situ pen mathalo lahai lahai song to meni tum chingwai bangke lahilo itu khasia khaile punoi karbia khaile punoi la ahoilong ke do tum bangle tum kai kita so kacharbo bede je pan itu pen kopini alang itu pan message piunjima aso piunjima pu ka chingwai long pen itu chingwai lo la sin tum aduk we song tum chingwai si la itu damra pepe na rong long ni tum so mon sam ka kita kapang sam jin pen ka pe do ka pe thak pen an so se ka paching thur dun ya pan ko son si do ke gi ma lai lam the po chi than chi mom nang ji lai jong si tum chi than chi mom lo pro tang te pini hard force ma te ka pe ka tum la in tum pan ing long so jan pan nga pa chi lang se la ji kai ke kleba tu ban sa me tu pen berti tu ji tu ma.
Now let us hear from President of Karbi Students Association, Samson Teron, as to why they had to organize such event and what are the resolutions they had adopted and also what are the objectives they had discussed in the meeting. Here is a visual.
Karbi nang khasi polam be ditum so kachi lang select kachi ferit tot la son bang avidet nang po kusin tumta uduno alang litum sami pulo litum da kisung ke boy an sita me kai ke ta karbi long karbi ara tum pen ke dorapet border long ke do tum an sita me tum tak dorapet pen si tum samjin pen sajar som sita me tum pichun ponang po la pen jasmet pet ni dag bang ke ni tum ke government kali dera posin tum border lampi ni ban tum chingwai ve athela dag bang ke lage sensitive issue lage central government na tum si bang chingwai po state government na tum chingwa po karbi long ta authority do karbi long termas council tum si kasi border pin ni apu thak bani tum thangna da ka chingwai po lage la pen da komani phani tum ka mis gaiji ba ka misunderstanding ke poni phani tum thangna to.
Wiki based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live.